Hello guys, welcome back to gidkayphotography once again. This is your man gidkay, and in today's video I'm going to explain my lighting process for these images I have right on my screen. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, I'm going to explain my lighting process or how I shot these images. Yes, so without talking much, let's dive right into the video. So at a point where I was shooting this image, it was almost sunset, getting to the golden hour period. So I realized the sunlight was hitting my subject from this aspect. Yes, so and I shot this image with my lighting source was the Godox VA60 with a reflective cone. So if you check this image, it came in over here. Yes, we just said diffuser just to soften the harshness of the light. Yes, because using the reflective cone can be really harsh. Yes, so I added just a diffuser to a white cloth, just to reduce the intensity. Yes, so I realized the light was coming in from my right direction, so I decided to make use of it. Yes, and then I made it a 2 light setup. So I'm going to draw some illustrations explaining it far better for you guys. So let me draw an arrow here and then name this. So the light I used was the Godox VA60 Mark II. Yes, it's able to do high speed sync. Yes, so this is my key light. Yes, let me name this key light, and then let me say this is my fill light, or we can name it as second light. Yes, so that was what was lighting this aspect. Yes, so fill light. Yes, good. So this is how it turned out to be. So what I'm going to say is, once you are doing an outdoor shoot and then the sun is still out there, try and see if you can make use of the sunlight to add up to your image. Yes, let's move to the second one. So this one is my favorite. The reason why that is my favorite is because the sunlight was serving as a side light for me, or an edge light. Yes, and you can see it turned out really nice. Yes, so I'm going to draw another illustration for you guys to see how, or explain it furthermore. So I also use the key light over here. So I'm going to just draw an arrow over here. Yes, so this section was the effect of the Godox VA60, which was my key light. Yes, and then the sun ray, or the sunlight, served as my second light, or my rim light. So let me name this as rim light. Yes, good. And you can see that this is almost acting like a normal artificial light, which has been or let's say a gel has been added, a yellow filter gel has been added to the light. Yes, and you can see it's really looking very nice. Let me turn off this. Yes, this has just been color graded, not retouched. Yes, I'm here to retouch them. So if you want to see a video of that, kindly comment in the comment section, and I'm going to do a retouching video on these images. Yes, so this was my lighting setup, and it's pretty cool. It's adding lots of beauty to the image. Let's go to the third one too as well. So this time around, I use the sunlight as my key light, because at this moment the sun was really high. Yes, so I use the sun as my key light this time around. So the sun is my key light, which is the sun as my key light. Sorry, I didn't even, let me clean this whole stuff and create a new layer. Yes, and then let's draw on that. So this is the key light. Yes, we are going to name that as the sun. Yes, and then this time around I use my flash as the second light, or as the rim light. Yes, so this is going to serve as the rim light this time around. Yes, which is my flash. Yes, so you see how it's making the image very beautiful. Yes, so you see how lighting makes your image very nice. And if you don't understand lighting very well, you might not be able to get this. Yes, so that's why you have to learn more, and then that's the reason why I'm doing this video, so you understand a lot about lighting. Yes, like I said, if you want me to retouch these images, if you want me to do a retouching video on these images, kindly comment in the comment section. Yes, so these images were shot with just one light, and with one light setup on an outdoor shoot, you can make use of the sunlight. Yes, let this sink into your head and make use of it. So you can see practically this is what I'm talking about. Yes, at this moment the sun was a bit down. Yes, but still we can see our subject's face. So this was just serving as a side light. Yes, so this is the effect we are seeing over here. Yes, and then the sun was almost going down, so the harshness or the effect was very down over this aspect. Yes, so this is also the cause of the sun. Yes, so this is caused by the sun as well. Yes, oh shit, I'm not used to creating new layers. Yes, so but I get you understand what I'm trying to illustrate over here. So if you check from the beginning, you're going to notice that I made good use of the sun. Yes, especially with the second image. If I'm not telling you it was the sun, you might think I had let's see, a second light over here. A second light over here, that is 7, or that is giving us this effect on this aspect. So you see, with just one light and then natural light, you see what you can create. So this shouldn't stop you from creating lots of magics or lots of beautiful images. Go out there and then explore. Yes, this is what I have for you guys today, and I'll come back with more exciting videos like this one. Thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'll catch you on a different exciting video. Peace out.